Best 10 tourist attraction at Mysore. Anybody can reach Mysore by train or by air or by car from anywhere of India. Mysore is the second populous city of Karnataka. It is also called Mysuru and City of Palace. It is the cleanest and best planned city in India. More than 6 million pilgrims come here annually. There are so many tourist attractions at Mysore. Mostly, Mysore local spot may be covered in one day. Tourist bus or taxi can be hired for local sightseeing. Tourist bus may be charged Rs 300 per adult only for fare, and separately Rs 300 per adult collect for spot ticket, parking and guide charge. One, Jagmohan Palace Art Gallery. Jagmohan Palace is around 2 km from Mysore railway station. The palace is one of the 7 palaces of Royal City of Mysore. Its construction was completed in 1861 and initially used by the warrior kings of Mysore as their home. It is now used as an art gallery and a function hall. Two, Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace is the second attraction after Taj Mahal. It is historical place and royal residence of Mysore. The distance of the palace from railway station 2.3 km and from Jagmohan Palace just 900 meter. The palace is in the center of Mysore and faces the Chamundi Hills eastward. The architectural style of dome of the palace is commonly described as Indo-Saracenic with blending of Hindu, Mughal, Rajput and Gothic style. It is a 3-story stone structure with marble dome and has a 145-foot 5-story tower. 3. Sandal and Mysore silk shopping. Kaveri shopping is good place to shop Mysore silk saree, necklace, ornaments, toys, sandal related item and big sandal sculptures. The shop owned and maintained by Government of Karnataka. Here, prices are moderate to high and expensive, but quality is demandable. It is just 1.7 km from Mysore Palace and 2.4 km from railway station. 4. Mysore Zoo. It is the second largest zoo after Alipur Zoo. It is just 1.2 km from Kaveri Silk Empire and 3 km from rail station. Various types of birds and animals are present here. It is the best tourist attraction for animals lover and children. Maybe spend 2 to 3 hours. 5. Chamundeshwari Temple. The Chamundeshwari Temple is located on Chamundi Hill. Distance from railway station 13 km and from Mysore Zoo 10 km.
30 रुपये में मत जाने का, 100 रुपये में जाने का। चप्पल सभी बस के अंदर जमा करो और बाहर नहीं तो मंदिर के पास पसंद तुम्हारी। ये मंदिर करीबन 800 साल पुराना है। यहाँ पर दुर्गा माता का दर्शन के लिए चल रहे चंडी चामुंडी। पहाड़ी की ऊंचाई होगी 3465 फीट के सी लेवल से। अभी हम लोग गुजरे, यहाँ पर एक स्टैचू देख सकते हैं। यहाँ का राजा राक्षस, कहते हैं कि महिषासुर चामुंडी देवी ने वो राक्षस के साथ 9 दिन वार किया, 9 डेज। 9 दिन के बाद वो राक्षस मरने की खुशी अभी भी मनाया जाता अपने हिंदुस्तान में। क्या कहते हैं उसको, नवरात्रि और विजयदशमी। यहाँ पर समय मिलेगा 40 मिनट, 40 मिनट्स।
The temple is famous for the celebration of festivals like Ashada Shukravara Navaratri and Ammanvara Vardanti. In the month of Ashada, Fridays are considered particularly auspicious. Lakhs of devotees assemble in the temple. One big Mahishasura statue present in front of Chamundeswari temple are 6. Big Bull Nandi. The distance of Nandi, the Big Bull statue, is 13 km from railway station and 3 km from Chamundeswari temple. This Nandi statue, which is more than 350 years old, located at the top of Chamundi hill. It is the third largest bull statue in India. It is about 16 feet in height and 24 feet long. 7. Sri Ranganatha Swami Temple. The Ranganatha Swami Temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Ranganatha Vishnu. It is one of the 5 important pilgrimage sites of Sri Vishnavisham along the river Kaveri for devotees of Ranganatha. These 5 sacred sites are together known as a Panchakhetram in southern India. The distance of this temple is from railway station 16 km and from Chamundeswari temple 29 km. 8. Sri Rangapatna Fort. The distance of Sri Rangapatna Fort from Mysore city is 19 km. It is also called Tipu Sultan Fort. Sri Rangapatna is the second tallest fort of the country. The name Tipu Sultan Fort speaks about the glorious history of the fort. 9. Krishna Rajasagar Dam. Krishna Rajasagar Dam, also popularly known as a KRS. It is a lake and the dam that creates it, used for supplying water, irrigation and produce power. The dam is made of Surki mortar in the year 1911 to 1938. 10. Vrindavan Garden. It is the water garden attached to the Krishna Rajasagar Dam. The distance of the garden is 19 km from railway station. Area of the garden is 60 acres. The garden is famous for its various type of fountain. Perfect time to visit the garden is 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The boating facility also available. Willing person can enjoy. The lighting of the garden is very attractive. Each fountain are arranged different light. Every day evening illuminate all lights and musical fountain. The pilgrims are enjoying the beauty of the garden. Horse riding. As Mysore is a city of palace, the royalty is present through the horse riding. The pilgrims can enjoy the charming experience with horse cart. You must visit Mysore.